Alrighty, getting started on my Geo. I know I need a head gasket rebuild, but it might be worse than that. So I'm gonna start taking it apart, see what it looks like, and hopefully get it fixed and get it all back together again. We'll see. Alrighty, so it's been a little while. I'm gonna show you what I got. Tried to mark everything and pulled off all that injector stuff, all those wires. And then I just got done taking out the head bolts. They were a pain. And got the timing belt off, all that off. So I'm about to I got the exhaust manifold unhooked here. So I'm about to take off the head and see how it looks. So here we go. Alright, here we go. So ain't much of the head gasket left. That is pretty bad looking. Wow. Hopefully we can get this thing running again.